How to download AliExpress on Android devices. Are you guys facing issues to download AliExpress on your Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store on your mobile devices. Once you open the Play Store, now click on the search icon and search for AliExpress. After you search for it, click on the second option where you can see this icon for AliExpress. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for install. Tap on install. As soon as you click on install, your app will start to download. It will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna download AliExpress application on your Android devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.